Dan Sweet with Trash Bin Cleaners Direct and Pressure Cleaners Direct. Here are two of our titanium trailer packages, either our trash bin cleaning system and commercial pressure cleaning system. These can do everything from residential trash cart to dumpsters and dumpster pad. It can vacuum wastewater up to 100 feet away from the trailer. We also have a truck mount. We just shipped one out yesterday to California. These two are actually going to California also. They're going to waste companies. So typically we have a 3,500 PSI at 9-gallon hot water power washer, belt-driven pump. It has the 3,000 watt onboard generator, so we're completely self-contained off of one engine. When it comes to that, it has a 17-stage wastewater filtration and recycling system that we could recycle and reuse the water multiple times. Considering that waste companies and sanitation departments are all environmental companies, they're under environmental services, they do care about the wastewater. They do not want people buying these type of equipment that haul wastewater, especially potentially hazardous wastewater, in open top hoppers. The back of the trailer where we clean all the trash cans over, it's called a trash bin hopper. Yes, there are actually companies manufacturing these that actually expect you to be able to drive around with 200 to 500 or 600 gallons of wastewater in an open top container. Could you imagine an open dumpster? Literally driving around on the street spewing out all that E. coli, Salmonella. I mean, you've got a lot of toxic algae, this blue-green algae that can contaminate your lake and cut your property value in half if it actually contaminates your lake. So if you're hiring a contractor that goes from community to community that doesn't take care of the wastewater issue, that could be pretty detrimental for an entire community. So if you want to learn more about this, get a hold of us. We are the experts in this industry at Trash Bin Cleaners Direct. You can email us at info@trashbincleanersdirect. You can call us at 616-250-4039. That was 616-250-4039. And you can also go to our website, which is trashbincleanersdirect.com. So trashbincleanersdirect.com. And you can also go to pressurecleanersdirect.com, where we offer over 400 different model power washers for sale. We give you entire packages, turnkey packages on the best equipment in the industry and the fastest cleaning systems, the most environmentally friendly. We also offer trailer wraps, logo design. We'll build you a website at no cost. We have route management software that can hold credit card information into the thousands. We have clients that have broke over 6,000 residential customers. When you're talking about that kind of volume, you can't afford the little mini-me system that you're only going to clean 20 or 30 cans a day. You'll go broke. You won't be able to manage the accounts that are coming in. Right now the industry is expanding and growing exponentially, and it is an amazing opportunity for you to get in. You could be the first and only trash bin cleaning system that is environmentally friendly in your entire city. Give us a call. Learn more.